So here in the Design for X Lab, we focus a lot on 3D printing. We see 3D printing as a wonderful tool for both teaching, learning, and creation. 3D printers can be used to visualize complex models or 3D objects that are very difficult, if not impossible, to manufacture any other way. In addition, we can have full working models. It's enabling students to think in ways that have never sort of been thought before. What can you find as solutions using plastic? And the answer actually turns out to be pretty wide. One of the things we love to have students work on is practical real-world devices. So these are actually some prototype medical devices that are used to help surgeons reattach fingers. They're able to come up with an idea, produce a real-world model, see how they work, see how the parts fit together, and then reattempt that model later that same day. That rapid succession, in addition to being able to print things that are completely impossible to make otherwise, like this ball trapped inside of a cube, are exactly why 3D printing is so exciting.